What if I say that you could make simple short videos with pranks and gain millions of views on YouTube while earning thousands of dollars a month just talking in Omegle chat with strangers? In February 2023, YouTube launched monetization of the shorts videos, and now literally anyone can make thousands of dollars here. This is what I and hundreds of other YouTube creators are doing. In this video, I'm going to show you these cash cow YouTube short channels and tell you everything in detail about this niche. So, be sure to watch this full video because I prepared something special for you. Today we are going to talk about how to make really big money on pranks in Omegle chat, where you could meet random strangers. I guess it's not a secret that people all over the world like entertainment content. If you make such videos according to the certain rules and following 3x structure, this kind of video stick your audience at their screens, and YouTube is very fond of it. Because the priority goal of this platform is to make users spend as much time as possible on YouTube and of course watching advertising. That's why such videos get high retention and the YouTube algorithm places them in recommendation. And here they gain millions of views and also bring to their creators thousands of dollars. My name is Tim and I'm an owner of the network with the cash cow channels. And I'm here to help you find a profitable niche and show clear steps how to start in and earn money on YouTube. One evening I decided to have a break and came across the channel of one interesting blogger. He was doing pranks in a Omegle chat in which he was scaring and trolling people. It was obvious that the quality of the content was at a pretty high level. Good pictures and interesting scenarios of pranks caught my attention. Basically, in his videos, he uses different household items that each of us has, like mirrors, household appliances, vapes, etc. In addition to his long videos, the author of the channels creates the shorts, which he makes using the content from the long videos, which gain millions of views. After doing some analytic work, I found another of his channel for the English-speaking audience, and also dedicated shorts channel, where he published only shorts. It has gained about 2 million subscribers and more than 500 million views in almost a year. On the Social Blade website, I find a lot of interesting information. And now I will share it with you. If we take a closer look at the stats, the views chart is not the best at all. 7 million in August and 3.5 million in September. However, we can see that in September and October 2022, the channel gained 200 million views. We can calculate how much income this channel brought to its creator by this simple formula, where we divide views on 1000 and multiply it on revenue per mil. If you don't know, the revenue per mil or RPM is the measure that shows how much money you as a publisher made for every 1000 video views. In this niche, YouTube pays about 3 cents per 5 cents for 1000 views. We can calculate how much income 200 million views brought the author by this formula, where we divide 200 million on 1000 and multiply it on revenue per mil. As a result, his income could be about $7,000 to $10,000 depending on the RPM. I got this data from the creator's video in which he showed how much he earned from one of the most popular videos. As we could see, most of the revenue on the channel came from just 5 videos that have collected more than 260 million views. It takes an average of 20-30 minutes to create such a simple 50-second shorts video. Maybe for someone $10,000 for 2 months it's not a big money, but it should be noted that this creator earned most of his income from the long videos, which bring him much more money. If you're interested in, write a comment down below and maybe I will make a separate video about this topic. And while you write a comment, I want to show you another YouTube channels that makes similar video and earn several times more. For example, this guy from Egypt just ranks other people's videos and collect even more views. 99 million, 80 million, 66 million. Let's see how he remakes them. He simply adds his reaction to the video and thus doesn't violate YouTube rules. and it's equal as he would create unique content. As a result, the channel generates income. By the way, let's look at the Social Blade website to see what the channel stats are. Type in the search bar the name of the channel, and here we are. The stats show that traffic on the channel is more stable. Even at the moment of a slump, the number of views reached 25 million per month. The average number of views per day is more than 2 million, a week over 14 million, and in a month almost more than 60 million. And now the most interesting thing, that for all the time of existence of the channel, it has gained more than 700 million views in 2 years. I'm even a little scared to check how much he earned. It turns out that the author earned $27,000 to $38,000. If we divide it by 24 months, we get $1,000 to $1,500 a month. In my opinion, it's a very decent increase in salary if you have a job somewhere, because it takes only a few hours a week to create this kind of content. And now something really delicious for dessert. The channel on which creator also partially uses other people's content and a character from the movie Ratatouille, because this guy resembles Linguini. Let's take a look at one of his videos. First, he shows himself. Then come some TikTok clips with a beautiful girl, and at the end he shows his reaction to the girl's transformation. I think many of you have seen many similar TikTok clips with the girls, which you can also take in use. The vast majority of the clips are done by this scenario. Let's take a look at his channel analytics. The maximum peak of views was in October, almost 400 million, which is just unbelievable. This month he earned at least $14,000, and the channel brought him about $50,000 in 3 years. That's about $1,380 a month. As you can see, if you make a video on a certain technology, then anyone can achieve the same results. For example, here's another author who checks the properties of different products. Each of his videos collects an unimaginable number of views. In that shot, he just shows how he shoots mosquitoes with a gun. As you understand, by creating such content, he could earn extra money by doing native integrations for some brands, and they will pay for it, or insert his affiliate link in description. Each of his videos follow the same script. He buys the product, he demonstrates the properties of the product, then he buys it and tests it in practice. If we go to Social Blade, we will see that for a month his videos gained about 1 billion views, and he earned $35,000 to $50,000 only from the YouTube Partner Program. I'm scared to imagine how much he could earn if he collaborated with some brands. Has this world gone crazy? People study for many years, then go to university, then look for a job to get their first experience and work 8 hours every day. They hope that one day the boss will notice their efforts and promote them. And at the same moment, somewhere in this world, these young guys are making content and spending just a few hours a week and make money from it. Personally, I don't see anything wrong with working on a hired job. I believe that everyone could do both. Work as employed and find the free time to work on your own channel on YouTube. I think that most people don't really need freedom, but I'm convinced that among us a small percentage of the people who want to get more out of life. And YouTube is the right place where you can create your own project. And now let's see how much these bloggers could make if they made regular horizontal video besides shorts. That's how much money one horizontal video can bring in the prank niche. This video gained 11 million views and brought more than $18,000. That means that YouTube pays $1.71 per 1,000 views. And now let's see how much the creator of the channel earned on horizontal videos. About $46,000 for 1 year. It's about $4,000 per month. And look at that, there are only 9 videos on the channel. 9. It's enough to publish just 1 video per month. These 9 videos continue to bring income to its creator. For example, if we look at the Social Blade, we see that for a month videos on the channel gain about 500,000 views. That's about $1,000 a month. Write in the comments please, is it big or little money for you? In the meantime, you write in the comments, I'm talking about pros and cons of the prank niche. You can easily create the shorts in this niche if you use other people's content, as other popular bloggers do the same thing. Your channel will not have a problem with approving monetization, since creating such content is allowed by YouTube rules. No music and no voiceover required. It's enough to add some emotional reactions and say something like this: "Oh my god, what's going on? What?" and so on. You don't need to know English well, write a long script or talk a lot on your camera. By making shorts and using the certain technology and the following 3-act structure, this kind of video will have a good retention and are likely to gain the millions of views. This is evergreen niche. People like pranks. Such videos help people to escape from the problem or stress and relax a little bit. This content is kind of psychotherapist. You don't need to be an expert or study some specific topic deep before making this kind of content. All you need is to know how to create the channel and a bit knowledge in the video editing process. Unstable traffic. 1 month is 100 of millions, another month is just millions views. To get outstanding result like this mosquito killer, you need to make unique content, and for this you need some investments. Low income per 1000 views, from 3 to 5 cents, while in horizontal videos you could earn about $2 per 1000 views, which is 48 times more. Just think about it. I think that the best combination is mix two formats, the long videos and the shorts videos, since YouTube recently made options to link shorts videos with the long videos. But in my opinion, it's poorly useful, since people most likely will not think to click on your link. Therefore, it's much better to place call to action in the end of your shorts video. And also put a link in description, so you could transfer your traffic from the shorts to the long videos. For example, you could write something like this: more reactions on the channel, link in description. For those who want to make such shorts videos, I recorded a free workshop where I tell you how to make such prank shorts for millions of views. This is your chance to start earning money in a few months. To get free access to my workshop, you need to leave a comment under this video or ask your question and go to the website. The link you will find in description. Remember, free access will available only 1 week, so don't miss your chance. It was Tim and I wish you health and profit. See you!